G'day everyone, it's Andrew Whitehouse here, and this week we're talking about siblings. Now, of course, siblings are such an important part of the family unit. So much learning happens between siblings across the life course, and of course that's no less true for kids on the autism spectrum. The study we've linked to this week sought to understand how much learning actually takes place between kids on the autism spectrum and their siblings. Now, the study is quite an incredible study. It followed kids from when they were 9 years of age all the way through to when they were in their 20s, and what they looked at is the rate of learning for what we call adaptive behaviours. And adaptive behaviours are all those behaviours that we need to take part in our daily lives. And there are a couple of key findings here. The first is that kids on the autism spectrum who had one or more siblings actually had a greater rate of learning of those adaptive skills across that 10, 15-year period. The second finding was that actually that greater rate seemed to be more pronounced when the siblings were of the same sex. So this is a really interesting studies, and I think the key takeaway for me is that it just shows how much vicarious learning takes place through social relationships, in this case siblings, and we should nurture social relationships for kids on the autism spectrum to help support their learning.